Yo, what's up, guys? And it, bro, the map it got. Whoa. Hold up.
Come over here.
I need to change my hat real quick, guys. I had to wear this hat for a YouTube video. Alright, for my old channel, and then I haven't played Animal Company since. So, do not flame me in the comments. Alright. Alright. So,
Yeah,
what's the new update? I saw there was a sewers thing in the.
So they added like beautiful paintings, like this one, a old man. No one wants that. Can't lie. And
okay.
I guess a pig is a whatever that is. And then they added a beautiful sunset right there.
Is there something in sewers? Because of the I saw there was something in sewers in the.
Yeah, come here. Go in sewers. Go in sewers.
Should I?
And
I'm gonna get suited up.
If I was you, don't do that. No, don't. The only thing we need is TNT right now.
TNT?
Yeah, bro. If you get a rocket launcher, you're just gonna lose it, and you can't get back up. All right, come on.
I need to find TNT. Minecraft TNT.
Come on. All right, throw it down there.
I want to go
just
down
to
there.
Make sure the...
Can we go down there?
Yeah, if you want to. Yeah. Go. If I was you, just roll the TNT.
I'm scared.
Be quiet. Be quiet. Alright, so actually I forgot. We need flashlights.
What just happened? I'm scared. I'm dead. What happened?
Nothing. Go down there.
I'm gonna take this with me. I'm gonna take a giant flashlight.
Go down there. I'm down there. Where are you?
What the frick is that? I'm in sewers.
Where are you?
Oh my god. Yo, what is that?
Don't look at it. Don't look at it. It will kill you. Give me the flashlight. I'm better.
Hey!
Don't.
Is it
I'm gonna
friendly?
die for you, okay? No, sort of, maybe.
Yo! Bro, nobody heard me scream like a girl, bro.
I'm down there. I'm going down there. I'm down. I'm down there.
I wonder what happened. Hello?
Hello? Who joined? Did anybody join us?
No. Go back up.
Hello?
Hello? I'm down here and I'm scared. Please come help me. I was coming back up, then I fell down. I'm scared. Help me.
I'm sorry. Are you okay?
Hi.
Guess who's here? Mario!
Yo, why are your eyes so big?
Yeah,
Did his headset die? No way. I quit, bro. I quit. I'm calling him. Scared. Alright, guys. Well, thank you guys for watching. That was my first time back in Animal Company. I got so scared. Nobody heard me scream like a girl. But thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna end this here. Peace.